Today my backyard is the Delaware Bay, and we'll be shucking some oysters. I'll be enjoying these oysters in a small town named Bowers Beach. There's a nice light breeze coming off of the bay this morning. We'll be enjoying some fresh Chesapeake Bay oysters. I insert my oyster knife into the hinge of the oyster, which is at the pointy end. I also have a kitchen towel to protect my hand in case I slip. I apply pressure gently with my oyster knife, twisting the knife back and forth, then sliding the knife along the top and bottom of the oyster. I make sure to cut the muscle that keeps the oyster in place at the bottom of the shell. No pearls this time. I brought a lemon with me to cut in half to squeeze on top of the oysters. And now a little horseradish. It looks like I caught this guy's attention. Let's hurry up and give this oyster a try. See you next time on Backyard Snacking.